So in case if you forgot your Apple ID password, don't worry, you can easily reset your Apple account password without your old password or current password. And here's how to do it. Go to your iPhone settings app, tap on your Apple ID, and here tap on sign in and security. And now all you have to need to reset your Apple account password, tap on change password. And now you have to enter here your iPhone passcode. Which passcode you use to unlock your iPhone. So enter here your passcode. And now here we can see the option to easily create a new password for our Apple ID. So right here, a new password, retype the password and must use strong password at least 8 characters, include number, uppercase, lowercase, and then tap on change and your Apple ID password will be updated. Thanks for watching.